Hello and welcome. My name is Clayton and I work for ISU Extension and Outreach. Today we're going to be making astronaut pudding. All your materials for today's activity will come from the Ziploc baggie with the red sticker that is marked number 1. For this activity you will need powdered milk, powdered instant pudding, the little mini cup that comes with it, and from home, a pair of scissors. So to start this activity, make sure you fill up your little cup full of water. Then open up your large bag with the red number 1 on it. You can open that up, make sure that's ready to go. All your ingredients from here will go into this bag. First start by opening up your instant pudding mix and dumping it into your large bag. If you spill a little bit, that's okay. Just make sure you clean up when you're done. Alright, now that all of our pudding mix is there, we're going to take our powdered milk and dump our powdered milk in next. Now that all of our powdered milk in there, what I like to do next is just make sure you seal up your baggie, and let's give that just a little bit of a shake so it's all mixed together. Once you have shook it, you can reopen your bag and dump in your water. Once your water is dumped in, just reseal your bag. Now this time make sure that your bag is really sealed. If you need to, go over it twice. And from here, you're going to start mashing up kind of your mixture in your bag. Make sure you get all that powder. Your powder can kind of clump up into the 2 corners down here. And just keep playing with it. Really, you're actually just playing with your bag for a while until you get the consistency of pudding. At this point now, once you have the consistency of pudding, it's time to eat. But before we do that, what I like to do is I like to push all the pudding away from one corner of my baggie. Then take your pair of scissors and cut just a little itty bitty hole right there on the side for pudding to get out. At that point then, you can kind of give this a little roll. Be careful you don't apply too much pressure so it comes squirting out. And then you can start to squirt your pudding. At this point now, you can enjoy your pudding. Also, if you're looking for more astronaut activities or want to learn more about space, check out the book A is for Astronaut at your local library.